Well, hey there, it's John here, and I'm kind of trapped up here. Back at the Hands-On Discovery Center, we're actually in the outdoor classroom today because today is National Beverage Day. We have an activity using one of my favorite sodas, Diet Coke. You've probably seen the Mentos Geyser where you drop a piece of candy into a bottle of Coke and it just explodes in a geyser that goes dozens of feet in the air. That's what we're doing today because it's so easy to do at home. But a little science behind it. If you've ever taken a bottle of soda and cracked it open, you probably are familiar with that sound because they're actually pressurized when they are bottled. That keeps the carbon dioxide gas that's in the soda in the solution. But once you release the pressure, bubbles of carbon dioxide are going to start forming. Now, bubbles will like to form on the outside of the bottle. That is where where they can actually form these bubbles a lot easier. These sites will actually be exponentially increased if you take this Mentos candy and drop it in. Because even though it looks very smooth and shiny, there are millions of tiny little cracks and crevices in the candy coating, and those sites are perfect for the carbon dioxide bubbles to form around it. So if you were to take this and drop it in, it bubbles over pretty well. That's just with one Mentos candy. Of course, we can upscale it. We could take several of these Mentos candies, turn it from a science demonstration into a science experiment. Compare one Mentos candy with two. Little bit more energy. Oh, it's going a lot faster, actually. What about three? Let's do it. Let's do it. And a one, and a two, and a three. Yep, it's definitely going way more fast. It's flowing all over the table. But if it works with these little tiny bottles, I wonder if it would work with the bigger bottles. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it would. But because we have some cool science equipment here, I've actually set up a Mentos Geyser fountain here. You can actually load up the candies inside of this little barrel, and there's a little pin at the bottom that's gonna hold it up, keep the candies in place. I'm gonna load it all the way up. Then when we're ready, maybe to get out of the way, duck for cover, we can actually pull that out and all the candies will fall in at the exact same time. Let's see how many we can fit in here. And just to make it extra fun, this cap actually has a smaller opening, kind of like a nozzle that will condense all the foam into a very narrow stream, making it shoot up, hopefully, even higher. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, science! That's so awesome! You could actually make one of these at home or just use the actual sleeve of the Mentos candy. Just hold that in place, kind of pinch the bottom, and then just let them drop all at the same time. But I'm a little wet here today. I'm gonna go find a towel, y'all, but make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Try it at home. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video upload, and check the description below. We'll have some science standards related to this activity and also some information on how you guys can help us keep the science alive. But I'm off to grab some ice. Bye, guys!